Previous videos we are discussing about the composable and preview functions and Artspace like dice roller and tip calculator app. In this video, we are discussing about the Artspace app. These are the import functions for the Artspace app. In this video, we are discussing this is the main activity function. In this main activity functions, I just call the composable function here, and this is the some uh, surface for the running is like maximum size and everything. These are the composable functions for alignment of the pictures and descriptions and uh, month of the picture. And here we are I just mentioned here mention here image size, like padding, height, width, border and shadow, and padding of the image, and here card and padding horizontal and vertical. And here I just mentioned the columns. Here you can see here cool temperature, and here I just adding the text about the description and month. In first text, font size will be 20, and a month is like 16. 25, I just mentioned here the description font size is 25, and text element starts, and line height is 30, and text and font size and font weight and modifier by using the padding between to the description and month separately by using differentiate by using padding at a top. And again composable function for art space main. In these functions I just mentioned about the picture view. Here art picture, I just mentioned here winter, and this is the picture and the description of the picture. And here I just call the function from the strings.xml file. In the strings.xml file, I just mentioned about the picture description and here I just mentioned about the month of the picture, like month of this season. In this xml file just mentioned about here, and I just name here early summer and tea early summer, tea summer, tea winter. In this main.xml file I just call the functions from the in these composable functions I just call the description from the xml file. Here you can see the how I can call ordered string tea winter. This can be located the xml file strings.xml file. This is for the winter picture, and this is for the winter season, and this is the spring description and month, and this is the early summer description and month, and this is for summer. This is the description called from the strings.xml file, and this is the month. This is called from the call to the strings.xml file. Here the early fall, this is the description. We just calling from the xml strings.xml file. This is also we just these information we just mentioned in the strings.xml file. Here I just mentioned the id to call the functions, and here the row and button to click the back and next button. By click the next, it changes the image, and by changing the back button, it come back to the previous picture. Here we just using the on click, and shape is going to be round, and border of the button and elevation false, and text size is of first one is back, And the next button, I'm just discussing about the next button here. It is also on click, and shape, border and elevation, and next button is click. By using, we just using on click, because of that it should be done by immediately. Here I mentioned minus because it's going to be backwards, like back we have to, is going to be plus, is going to be added to the next picture. This is the picture. If I click the next by using the result plus plus, but if I click the next function, is going to the next picture. That's why here I mentioned plus plus. And in minus minus for the back function, if I click on this, it's going to back to the to show the pictures. And thank you. This we already discussed about the preview function. In this video also you can see about the preview. By using the show background equal to true, by mention, because of that, if we mention the true, I mentioned everywhere true, because of that I want a transparent background, so that's why I mentioned here true. Thank you for that.